Yes, Mekaino, yes. Yes, I will go to International Airport. I train Peller and streamer of Nigeria. Hosted by Shagzy phone hosting. Yes. Oh, I say I'm a Shatta movement fan. Let's tap on the screen. Tap on my moment. Comment section on the menu. Yes, let's. Yeah, welcome Peller. As I okay, she say moving. Who say? Uncle full movie. Let's say. Waba. Let's say. Baby, I say. Yes. Why did you? Yes. What is that for one direction? I said. Because movie sign. They say of I say back. Of this side never continue fast. Yes. Trying to do it first because this side number five. This side number five. Yes. Peller. Yes. Yes. Peller.
Let's go down.
Like that. You saw guy with his team. When they said that, I don't know which are big let's go. Every media should go down. Go back. Quit away. Please, Abi. Charlie has so killed 2 balls.
Finally, yes. Yes, finally Peller will do Ghana, yes. Ram Beka. Yes, Neka do Kondi. Yeah, any boss there. Yeah, Tuga, yeah. So, okay, so roll a metal. Okay, so your best copy will have fun now. You do Fiania South Wale. So stay tuned on Sammy Flex TV. Thank you. Big baby. Is this your bed of his saying? See what I'm going to say in Ghana.
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back.
I will say this watch your back.
Shazi. Yeah, well, people here don't know it's a rival of the, Peller, you understand? We live in college, you understand? We're waiting for the Nigeria TikToker, today is the day, you understand? We're waiting for Peller. And guys, the manager is here, all the crew of Shatta Movement is here, you understand? Waiting for Shatta Wale himself.
Video now, then they miss they alive. Thank God for they alive, you understand. So today, Peller they enter Ghana, and as part of Shatta Movement, SM for Life, we are here to support, and the Shatta Movement we make all this thing what very, very possible. True of us. True. So yes, we are there to support. Make you welcome on our brother. Carry him go house, give him some food, make it chop some Ghana food, make it feel at home, you understand? See Ghana and Nigeria, they will be what?
We want people.
So yes, that's why we will be here. So yeah, big shout outs to Bonah Daddy. Who?
Shatta Wale.
Shatta Wale and Shadzi, you understand, for making everything possible. So yes, we outside, you have one side.
Yeah, one side. Thank you, boss.
Big baby. Is this your bed of his saying? See what I'm going to say in Ghana.
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back.
Oh, not everybody, not everyone. Not everyone. Hey, security. Hey, security. Are you ready? You make everybody work. Jeez, man, lady, can come now, I beg. This will run interviews one after the other, so this will come. Don't worry. Yo, bro. These two guys. Relax.
I'll see. Yeah, that will guy
Yeah, tap the screen. Yes, guys, I told you, yeah. Peller, our baby Ghana, yeah, Nina Bafi, yeah, into any updates, be with the bedroom, yes, it's I will feel into Obe inside, not quitting. Yes, all in the name of Shatta, and Shatta, yes, yes. Yeah, tap the screen, tap. Mamente pa. Yeah, all is love and pa. Yeah, SM for life and pa. Yeah. Yes, inside, Nina Bera inside. Yes, mansion, all in the name of pa. Tap the screen, show love, show some love. Yes, show some love. Yes, Peller is finally here in Ghana. Yes, we do Ghana. Yes, oh, the one don himself. Yes. Pa, mamenti, pa. SM for life, yes. The mafia manager himself. Pa. Also, Peller is crying because he's happy. The love, yes. The love shown to him.
Please, let's media come.
Yeah, all organized. Oh, who is Peller? Peller is a streamer from Nigeria. Jarvis, you know the girl now, or a robot, you know, yeah, Kobe Clean. Jarvis, streamer, TikToker or from Nigeria. Who got TikTok about Peller? Yes. All sponsored, fully sponsored by Shatta Wale. Yes. We're also proud of you. Yes, yeah. We are proud of you people. Yes. Yes. You see, I'm the best I say, and more updates. I'm the best bro, mommy free. Some flex, pa for life. Pa for life. Yes, my family manager will break. Yeah. Until the yeah, that's wrong. Yeah. Event in the day. We love you, Peller. Peller also loves you. Yeah. He's in Ghana. So any updates, any movement, be